Yeah, like from here. Mile an hour. Yeah, and that's when the chief come out.
That's
yeah.
It's time for you to.
I don't know if he is. I don't think he is. George may know.
Yes.
Hello. Faster. Okay, I'm walking as fast as I can. Ooh, faster, faster. I see that.
Yeah, I mean, I hear you. Honestly, I put it on eBay and then I put it on Craigslist, and it's a hard. Yours is actually.
What did you have as a minimum bid?
I got nothing on eBay. It's because it's a short bus. It's just super hard to store. Like people don't have unless it was if it had probably been converted to a motorhome, maybe.
You think someone would see that and want to do it? But
I had it on here. I had it on Craigslist here saying like start your own business, because I sold my whole tour company.
Right.
And it just, honestly, it just went to where it was like, it's hard. Like if I had a... Hey, how many you
To compete in the Rat Rod division from Santa Maria, California. And this thing, people love it. It's all totally raw. It's rusty rat. Because in order to be a rat, you got to have rust. People like to come up and touch the rust. They don't have to worry about, you know, nice paint jobs or anything like that. The shotgun shifter was my grandpa's, and I built it into this. It's all handmade. Took about 4 years to build. Almost lost a finger or two trying to build it. It does real well. People and kids love it. It's something different than all the shiny stuff that you'll see out here today. My boy painted the character on the back. The kids can identify to it. I don't even know who it is. But they love it. They love the skeletons and stuff. That's why I keep doing it. But it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Looks great. Thank you so much for coming.
Pardon me? Yeah. You said what now?
San Miguel. San Miguel is usually.
It's changed. Well, hey, thanks for helping out, guys.
Back, huh?
This morning with the national anthem, but first, if you'd please join me, put your hands over your hearts. We're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I'm gonna sing the national anthem. Hi, my name is Eliza Sings, and I'm here to sing for you today. This band we have is the Rod Norris and the Buzzard guys. Hats off, hats off. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Play ball!
Oh yeah. Thank you, honey. Where's your shoes? Right here.
A long time forgotten and dreams that just fell by the way. And the good life he promised her ain't what she's living today. She never complains about the bad times and the bad things he's done. She just talks about the good times they've had and all the good times to come. She's a good-hearted woman in love with a good time man. And she loves him in spite of his ways that she don't understand. Their teardrops and laughter that pass through this world hand in hand. A good-hearted woman, living a good time and man. Teardrops and laughter that pass through this world hand in hand. Good-hearted woman.
Yeah, it would only help over 5,000. I'm like, well, that's not where I'm driving.
Pop, okay? Right there.
Yeah.
And no camber loss.
Does its own thing, can you?
Leave one side up. So that way.
My kids keep telling me, I had my son and my daughter and my daughter-in-law and son-in-law. Oh, you
I'll be lonesome, heartbroken and some, 'cause I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You called me baby, now I've got a new name. I don't need my own, heartbroken and some, 'cause I ain't got no one.
I don't see your cup holder though.
Our cars are across the street.
Connor, what's that award for? Hold it up so I can see it. Merchant Award, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the ticket.
It's too late to make it right. I probably wouldn't if I could, 'cause I'm mad as hell, I can't bring myself. What it is you think I should, what it is you think I should. No, I made my bed and I sleep like a baby.
Shoot it! Well, if they freed me from this prison and that railroad train went by, I bet I'd move it home a little further down the line. Far from both prisons, that's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle drive all my blues away. Oh, Dakota! Why, Mr. Dakota on the bass. I hear that train again, rolling around the bend. Dakota, ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in cold prison, time keeps dragging on. Yeah, I hear that lonesome whistle on down the San Antonio. All right, Steve Myers on the lead guitar one more time.
My name is Ron with 311. I have some country spare ribs right here, ready to go. Born and raised in Louisiana, and I'm doing my best. Everybody seems to be enjoying. I'm enjoying myself in San Miguel, California. Have a good afternoon, folks.
Looking for a sunny day. Lord, it's the same old tune. What did we take from here? Ain't gonna be this way. Ain't gonna be this way. I know it hurts you at the time, but I wonder now.
Misfiring back over our traffic cone today. Scott was driving it.
Uh-oh.
Call you up and ask, you like to come with me and see? Can't get enough of your love. Can't get enough of your love now. Can't get enough of your love. Come on, do what you do. Can't get enough of your love now. Can't get enough of your love. Can't get enough.
Rest is a must.
Can't beat it. Take back the pills, take back the whiskey too. I don't need it now. Your love was all I was after.
Fireman fine.
I'll make it now. Who would have thought this was something that I'd ever do? I'm working it out now, mellowing down on you.
I really like to thank.
Right on the mic and talk loud.
I really like to thank this community of San Miguel for this opportunity and the scholarship. It's really going to go a long way towards my education, and I'm going to come back to San Miguel and give back to this community.
Excellent job, buddies. Thank you, Carlos.
San Miguel Car Show. Connor's handing me a ticket. The ticket is 225-8060. 225-8060.
Event sponsor, we really appreciate their help. Connor's coming up with another ticket. Give it a good shake. Here we go. Here he comes. What? Here it comes. Thank you, Connor. 375-1703. 375-1703.
There he is.
Here comes the Car Quest buckets. They were really nice. This is a super nice bucket. A lot of product in here. Just one. Rip it. 375-1700. Bucket. Here's the Napa bucket, but it's really a Napa waste basket, which is super cool. And there's car wash product in here. Napa wanted me to please tell everyone that Napa is having a tool show at the Paso Robles location on Friday the 13th. So if you're shopping for the automotive tools, get down there. Thank you. 225-8131. Okay, everybody. Class A, stock cars up to 1954. Winner, number 12, Kelly Rohrer. 38 Fate. 38 Fate. Okay, Class B, stock cars, 1955 to current. Winner is number 66, Ralph Garcia, with a 65 Impala SS. Class C, modified custom cars up to 1939. Winner, number 1, Allie and Christine Manning, with a 34 Ford Cabriolet. Modified custom car, 1940 to 1959. Winner, number 64, Mike and Pam Estrada, with a 41 Ford Coupe. Okay, Class E, modified custom cars, 1960 to present. Winner, number 117, Nat Wyatt, with a 64 Ford Falcon Sprint. Class F, stock trucks up to 1952. Number 90, Johnny Janag. Okay, everybody, Class G, stock truck, 1953 to current, winner number 34, Greg Wyatt, 71 Chevy truck. Class H, modified or custom trucks up to 1952. Number 71, Phil Laughlin, and a 32 Ford pickup.
Thank you, both of you guys. Thank you very much for coming.
Class J, stock Chevy cars, 1955 to 19... Okay, folks, Class L, Corvette, 1983 to current. Number 130, Class Q, all Mopars. Great job. Class R, Class 5, all red Cheros and El Caminos. 64 Porsche 356 SC. Okay, folks, this is a new award. This is the key. We should start doing wine tours on the bus.
Kelly.
Okay, this is the people's choice.
Can I give you $100 to buy Mega Millions tickets for me?
Okay, everybody, best in show.
Who's going to pay for it?
Thank you, Art. Are we all done? Thank you, everybody. Next year's 10th annual, we're really going to